am thrilled to welcome the 150 young minds who have shown interest in joining the Safaricom Internship Program. They're joining at a time when we are celebrating Safaricom having been awarded #1 top employer in Kenya and Africa.
We are very intentional. Our internship onboarding process is very rigorous. Right from how we assess them, we've seen success stories where we were able to convert a number of interns to full-time.
I decided to apply for an internship in Safaricom because I will get industry practice and standards, not just the classroom experience.
This is a fantastic opportunity for me to develop hands-on skills in a professional setting.
Safaricom is a very big brand, and once you get to be in Safaricom, then you tend to expose yourself to a lot. The culture in Safaricom is very interesting. It's not what I expected. It's very warm and welcoming and very down to earth.
The blend of innovation, culture, impact here is groundbreaking.
The induction experience just surpassed my expectation completely. They really take care of us.
During my internship, I look forward to meeting like-minded people.
I look forward to all the innovations that have been created and interacting with them.
I look forward to networking with the many engineers and staff in Safaricom.
So by the time they are finishing the internship program, they've been certified, they've gone through so many learning programs that makes them all-rounded professionals.
I encourage all of you to learn and relearn. Welcome on board.